Today we see about the political environment. So, what is the political environment? It includes the factors such as characteristics and the policies of the political parties. So, when we are talking about the political parties, we may know that there are many parties which are all engaged in the politics. So, the peoples they will be ruling the government. So, the parties will be having a certain environmental changes they will be giving that for the business. The nature of constitutions and the government systems relating to the business policies and the regulations. So these political parties will be changing their government systems and they will be framing their policies and the regulation. So according to the policies and the regulations, the business people have to follow it. Then another thing is the important economic policies such as industrial policy, policy towards the foreign capital and technology, fiscal policy and foreign trade policy are often political decisions. So all these changes will come from the politics. So what is the important changes? The industrial policies is framed by the political. The policies towards the foreign capital also. The technology what we are using and the technology what we have to import from the other country, and the fiscal policies and the foreign trade. So the monetary relating to the money and the relating to the trade, relating to the product, everything will be in the hands of the political party. They will be taking all the decision. Next one is technological environment. So how the technology is favored to the environment. The environment also should support to the technology, and the technology also should be favored to the environment. The business in a country is greatly influenced by the technological development. So if the particular industries is in a progress, mainly due to the technology what they are using in the industries. So when we are having a good technology, updated technology, that will be giving a more output and the production that will be increasing the productions level. So it is very important. The country, the businessman in a country, it is greatly influenced by the technological development. Means the businessman should know what are all the technologies is available for the concerned business. Then technology adopted by the industries determines the type and the quality of your goods and services to be produced and the type and the quality of the plant and equipment to be used. So it is not that technology alone if you are having means we cannot do anything. So we should be know how to operate the technology. That is very essential. So for that needs we need a quality. The plant equipment is to be used properly. Then only the technology can be used in a right way. Then next one is technological environment influences the business in terms of investments in the technology. So when we are going to adopt the technology means what is essential? Investment is needed. When we are investing properly and we are investing it in a right way, it will give a more output for us. Then applications of technology and the effects of technology on the market. You are having the technology, we should know that whether we are having the right technology or not. So that is essential. For example, we are doing a business of the cotton industry and we should not have the technology of paper industry. So that is very essential. The businessman should know whether we are using a right technology to the right path. So that we have to be checked. Okay. Next we move to the social environment. As we all know, social means what? Society. Entirely it is depends on the society. Social dimensions or the environment of the nation determines the value system of the society, which in turn affects the functioning of the business. So the society is a fully depend, the environment, the business people are fully depend on the society. At the same time, environment should support the society when we are doing a business. So that is very essential. The value system talks about. The society tells about the value system. What is the value we are learning? That is very essential. Then sociological factors such as the cost structure. The cost is important. Customs is important. The mobility of labor. The labor is moving from the one place to the another place and reaching impact on the business, whether they are reaching the right path or not. So that we have to check it. These factors determines the work culture and mobility of the labor and the work group. So when what are all the factors in the sense means the culture is important. When we talk about the society, The society, the people are all of the depends on the culture. The different peoples will be following a different cultures, they will be following a different customs, they will be having the taste differences, the preferences differences, and the fashion differences. So when the culture differ, there will be, it depends upon the customer. So all the customers will not be having the same culture, same fashion. So the businessman should know about what is the culture they are all in. So why the labor is mobilizing from the one place to the another place. So the in a particular place, the labor is means we should know, understand the type of labor, what type of labor they are, how they will be working in a particular condition, what type of people they are, what group of people they are, what is the religion, what is the caste system they are following, what is the festival they are following. So all this should be known to the businessman. So entire thing is depend on the environment. So environment has to support the society. When the environment is supporting to the society, then only the businessman can learn everything what it is going on in the society. So that is very essential. Okay, next we move to the global environment. And when we are talking about the global level, so when we are doing a marketing conditions, the marketing conditions has to support to the global level. So the environment should support not only in the domestic area, in the international level also the environment should support. So when we talk about the environment here in the global level, so main the good example we can give is the COVID-19. So what is that COVID-19 is? It because of the COVID-19, entire trade has been affected. It is the biggest impact is given to the society in the global level. All the business people, industrial people have suffered a lot because of the COVID-19. So that is the environment. We may not be knowing when will happen, what will happen, why it is happening, we may not be knowing. So that is the environmental conditions should support through the international level when we going for a trade. So we see to that the global environment refer to those factors which are relevant to the business such as WTO principles and the agreement. So what is WTO? World Trade Organization. So what is that World Trade Organization? So the people will be members in the WTO organization, that is World Trade Organization. In every country, the people will be the member in the WTO. What the WTO is doing? The WTO is helping to the member countries who are all member in the WTO. The WTO has to help the member country. So how they will be helping? Both the developed nation as well as the developing nations will be member in the WTO. So WTO should know which country is lacking in the export. So why they have to see that when the export increases only, it gives a more output to the nations. The nations will be earning a more income. So the WTO has to support the country to develop their export level. So they will be getting from the developed nation and they will be giving to the developing nation. So the developing nations will be slowly going to a progress level with the help of the support of the WTO, and they will be having certain principles in the agreement. According to the principle, according to the agreements only, in the international level they will be go to the business. Okay, next one is international conventions. What is called international conventions? So when we go for international level, so we will be exchanging your goods. So it deals with the two things, exchanging of goods and exchanging of currency. That is called as the conventions. We are converting the currency from one country to the another country. When we are converting to the currency, that is called as a rate of determination. The currency level changes, the currency rate changes, so that gives more income to the particular country. Then next one is the triads, agreement, declarations, protocols and the economy. So what are all the agreement? What is the WTO is declaring to the member country? What are all the protocols for the economic development that should be known to the business people? Then last one is sentiments in other countries, hike in crude oil and the prices, etc. So when we talk about previously we are talking about the social environment. The people is fully depend on the society, means they will be practiced of traditional level, they will be following certain culture, so they will be believing of the sentiments. So the different countries they will be having a different sentiments. So there will be a hike in the crude oil and the prices. The prices level increases is day by day, so it shows the changes in the global market. So finally what they are telling us, in the global market, so the economical system should be known to the business people. That's what the economic environment is talking about. So when the major things we are talking about, the social, political, technological, so all the three area should be aware to the business people, that is the industrial people. Then only we can give a good progress in the industries. It gives the development in the economy automatically. When we are concentrating to the political, social and the technological environment, all these combined together will give a progress to the nation. Yes, thank you girls.